I perform another optimization example. Unfortunately, at the end of the F06 file, I have these user fatal messages saying user fatal message 7139 on DREF's entry ID 9 million, DREF's ID ID 8,080,080 does not reference an existing DREF's entry. So here, let's go ahead and take a look at my DREF's entry 9 million. Here I have my web app open. Here on the right in the output, I see I have my DREF's entry ID 9 million available. It's saying that the DREF's one entry 8,080,080 does not exist. So let's go ahead and see if we can figure out why it doesn't exist. By convention, when you're using the web app, you should always use label numbers that you find out throughout the web app. Here, there's an existing response. It's a wait response called R801. So here, I should have used 801 instead, not just R80. So when you type in R801, it updates the input here on the right. So let's go ahead and just take all of it actually. And let's go back to my design model. And here, if you notice, the DREF's entry 9 million is referencing a DREF's one entry called 8,080,080. And that's because I used the wrong label of R80. Let's go ahead and just replace all of these statements with the new ones. And now this equation is referencing label R801. The DREF's one entry is referencing 8,801,000, which would be this label. So now let's go ahead and save this and rerun the optimization and see what we get in return. And then if after this video you are still experiencing issues with this message, my email address was at the beginning of this video in the annotation, so feel free to send me an email. I'd be more than glad to reply back to you. Let's go ahead and give it a moment for the optimization to finish. And while that's happening, let's go ahead and open up the optimization working directory and open the F06 file. What I want to do is show the old F06 file on the left side and show the new F06 file on the right side. What we are going to want to do is after the optimization is complete, we'll do a comparison. And at this point, the optimization is complete. So let's go ahead and compare the file on the left and the right. Okay, perfect. So there are two ways to determine that we've resolved the issue. Method number one. And now we see this message at the bottom of the new F06 file. It says run terminated due to hard convergence at an optimum at cycle number 4. This message is indication that we have a successful message. If you want to further prove to yourself you resolved the issue, you can also copy this original user fatal message 7139 and just search the new F06 file for this message. And you see this string is not present in this F06 file, so we know that the message has been resolved. And that's how you fix that error message. Again, if you are working with this example, or if you have a similar fatal message and you're looking for someone to help, feel free to send me an email. I'll be more than glad to reply back. Thank you for watching.